Welcome back to Let's Fabricate. My name is Cody and today we have a quick tip for you. I've been getting this question a lot over on my Instagram page. If you haven't already, go check it out. But I've got quite a few DMs from people that have either bought the Rebel 215 from Esab or are looking at buying it. And I had the same questions and it took me way too long, I feel like, to figure out. Couldn't find a video on it, couldn't find the instructions that said anything about the parameters, but if you're trying to find the special parameters on the Esab Rebel 215 so you can do all your different settings on lift TIG, all your different settings on MIG, I'm going to show you how to find them, how to turn them on, and what they do differently than standard settings. So let's look at it now. Alright, so if you look right here, we're on the home screen, and this is how it's set up from the factory. You can click on SMIG, click on your wire size, and basically just rock and roll with it. You can change your material thickness and it'll automatically adjust your settings accordingly. But you don't have any other options. Even if you go to the MIG function, you can change your voltage and wire speed, but the settings are very basic. It has a small memory. You can change from MIG gun to spool gun, but that's basically all you get from the factory. And when I had kind of been looking at this, I saw that it had a lot of different functions, but I couldn't find them. Even when you go to lift TIG, it basically all it tells you to do is set your amperage, which is super easy to do, but sometimes when you're using a press button, you want to be able to adjust your 2T or 4T, you want to be able to adjust everything, but without the parameters set on, you can't do that. So what you have to do is go to the settings screen, go up here to basic or advanced, and you go over to advanced, and that basically just opens up all the parameter guides. So now when you go to lift TIG, you have this special parameter setting up here. If you click on that, it can switch from 4T to 2T, and you can change your upslope and your downslope and all that, which really helps when you're using a push button. And on the MIG function, you can also change a lot of different things. It's got your inductance, 2T, 4T, pre-flow, post-flow, burn back. I mean, it's got a million different settings to really dial this machine in. And it really helps a lot to have that setting turned on. I've used it a lot, even in the SMIG, which is supposed to be the easiest function. You can change all that same stuff so you can really dial it in but still keep it really simple. So this is going to be a quick video for all those who have bought an Esab Rebel 215 and can't figure that out. But now you know, now everybody knows there's a video on this. In case anybody has more questions, leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next week.